Hello, I'm Saul from Websand, and I'm going to talk you through how you can create live customer segmentation using the search facility within Websand. Today we're going to have a look at creating two different groups within the system. The first group is around people who've bought something that cost more than £50 or euros or dollars, whatever your currency is. And that's one single transaction. And we're also going to look at how we can create a group based on customer lifetime value. So these are people who've spent more than £50, dollars, or euros. We're just looking at that for this instance. We'll come on and we'll do it again, but this time based on time. But this video is just about creating those two groups to start with. So if we look at the first group, these are people that have bought something over £50, dollars or euros. In each case, they've bought one single item, and that item is directly linked to them as individuals. Hence, they're included in this group. So let's have a look at how we create some groups within this demo instance of Websand here. So let's create a new search and let's give it a name. Well, I need to pick a table first. So let's pick our customer table. So this customer table has 3,446 people in there. We've blanked them all out for obvious reasons. This is just a demo. And we could select some criteria here to pick from those. So we could segment based on their ID or their email address or their date of birth or their name or their location, whatever we want to be here. So we've got a fairly limited table here, so we're going to ignore that. And what we are going to do is we're going to create an AND function, and we're going to have a look in the transactions table. So the search that we're going to do is customers that have spent more than £50. We'll save that. Could be $50, whatever your currency is. 50 euros, whatever. So in the transactions here, we can then assign a criteria. So we're looking at customers, and then we're looking at spend activity. So we're going to create a group here, so we can create multiple criteria later on. And the criteria that we're going to pick to start with is going to be the price of the transaction. And the price that we want is that they spent more than £50, so greater than or equal to £50 is what we're after. So as you can see here, we've got this group of people here. There's 217 people who have a criteria where they've spent more than £50, euros or dollars with your business. So let's update that, and that's created our first group. So we'll go back to the search here. We've created a group here. So these are people that have spent more than £50. So that's 3.6% of your entire base. Now we've identified the first group. So those are the people who've bought something over 50. Now let's have a look at the second group. That is those people who have a customer lifetime value of more than 50. So in this case, they have bought more than one item, and we're looking at the total transaction value during that period for the purpose of this segmentation. So in this case, this guy's bought 4 things, and that brings a total of 75. This chap has bought 3 things, and he's also got a total of 75. This guy's got 60. This lady's got 55. This gent's got 100, and this lady here has got 50. So let's go into the system and show you how to do this. So let's go a little bit deeper than that, and that's great. So some people have spent more than £50, but I want to make a copy of that. And what I'm interested in now, I'm interested in those people that have really added value. So I want to know those people, customers with a lifetime value over 50. So again, this is whatever your currency is, and I'm going to save that. So this is an entirely new search, and what we're going to do this time is we're going to click on this F function here, and this F function allows you to create either an average or a sum based on that field on this criteria. So if I click sum here, what this does is it takes the combined value of all of the transactions that have been created by each individual person within your business to create the customer lifetime value. So as you can see, you've moved from just over 217 to way over 800 people that have bought from you several times, and when you combine all of those figures together, they've got a total value that's over 50 euros, dollars, or pounds to your business. So let's update that. And in the search, we've created our two groups. So we've got customers who spent more than 50, and we've also got customers who have a lifetime value of more than 50. So that's those groups created. As your data updates, those people will be automatically grouped based on that behavior. So that's the segmentation taken care of. I'm Saul from Websand. If you want further information, then please book us for a demo at websand.co.uk. Look forward to talking to you soon.